What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the jump rope footwork series. Today I'm going to be taking you through what is known as foot taps. These can be done in all different directions, but we're going to be focusing on the cardinal directions, if you will, of frontwards, backwards, side to side. These can be put together in different combinations leading up to what you're seeing right here, but this is over time. But I'm going to show you the drills and steps in order to get there. So if you're all ready, grab your rope and let's do this. To kick things off, we don't need the rope. We're just going to practice the footwork so you can get this down, get the rhythm. So the first thing we need to do is just develop what your standard basic bounce rhythm is. And I want you to do a 4 count. So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you can match that speed, that's great for training purposes with this video. But if you have to go a little bit slower, that's fine. You'll be able to utilize these drills at any level. Drill number 1 is just getting into your basic bounce, and we're going to work on a right foot tap out to the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a jump, touch out to the side, jump, touch together. Jump, touch out to the side, jump, touch together. After you get that down, then you're obviously going to move to the left side, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, once you have the right side down and then you have the left side down, now I want to show you how to combo those together so you can go straight from one side to the other and kind of alternate back and forth. It's kind of like a pendulum. If you've ever seen those little metal desk things that you can hit them and they kind of go back and forth, that's kind of the same movement that your legs are going to have. So as we get into the right, now when the right comes in, it hits the left leg out. They don't actually touch, but if that's the movement that it has. So boom, just like that, from left to right, from right to left. And then you can just go constant. Practice that as much as you need until you get it down smoothly. Then we're going to practice a new combination, which is from the right to the front. And it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 out to the side, so you'll be in your basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then practice the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And last but not least, now we're going to add in a rear tap as well back behind you. So imagine it being kind of a sideways V around your body is how the taps are going to go. So you can start out with the front one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can go over to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now that we've practiced it without the rope, now we're going to add the rope in, include that timing and rhythm. It's going to test you, make you better overall as well. So start out with that basic bounce tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to add in the right leg, then the left leg, and then try to go through the other 2 drills as well. Once you are comfortable with all 3 of those and comboing them together a little bit, there's one more skill I want to throw into this to finish off what I showed you at the very beginning of this video, and that is just a foot cross. So you're just going open, cross, open, cross. That's all you're adding in. It's kind of like a jump jack, but you're just crossing your legs. What this does is just adds a little bit more footwork, a little more technique going on, because the more footwork you have, the more intense and the more impressive jump rope looks. So as you can see right here, basically what I'm doing is a lot of side swings with some jumping the rope, but I'm keeping my feet moving at all times. This makes it look a lot more impressive than if I'm side swinging and just standing in one place. So let's practice this open cross really fast. So get into your rhythm, open cross, open cross, open cross, open cross. It's pretty straightforward, but now we're gonna add that in with some of the pattern. All right, so for this combo, let's put the rope back down, just get the footwork down. I'm gonna show you the pattern that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna start out in your pattern, get that pendulum going, and then what we're gonna do is right, forward, open cross, left, forward, open cross, right, forward, open cross, left, forward, open cross, together. Once you're feeling comfortable with that pattern, now we're gonna add in the jump rope and we're gonna do the same exact thing, which will look like this. Get that pendulum going. Go at the pace that you need to. If you need to go slower, that's fine. Right, forward, open cross, left, forward, open cross, right, forward, open cross, left, forward, open cross. And ultimately, you can start adding in more to the pattern as you can see right here. If you are enjoying these episodes of the Footwork series, let me know down in the comments below. Give the video a like, and I will keep them coming. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.